Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful hair that I bought from my local hair shop. Let me show you what hair it is. That is not going to focus because of my light. Guys, this hair. I'm also going to put a link to this hair in the description below. I'm going to see if they have any links online so that you can actually purchase this hair. If not, you are going to have to check in your local hair shop. We're going to jump straight into this tutorial, so stay tuned to see how I achieved it. All this hair in the front, that's all been ventilated. That did not come with the wig. I just felt as though the wig needed that extra piece of hair in the front, so I added that. Before cutting the lace, I do also like to cut behind the ear tabs just so that it can actually fit in front of my head properly. So you can kind of see there's a bit more space. Also, take a look at this. This side of my stocking cap method, it's just pants. This is what I like. I did something different. I used Got To Be spray on this side and I used Wonder Lace on this side. I'm just cutting the lace. I like to do it in like a zigzag motion. So when you put it on your head, there's no harsh lace lines. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Perfectly cut lace. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. It's fitting from ear to ear. We're just gonna apply that white eyeshadow to map out our glue. Perfect. Okay, I'm in two minds. Because this is a synthetic wig, I don't know whether I should use the olive oil gel or if I should use the Wonder Lace bonding glue. Bonding glue! This is my favourite. Ebin, they've done their thing. Okay, I've already started putting my glue on. Definitely put too much in the front, but oh well. It is what it is. Guys, I have not put foundation on my lace. What am I doing? Okay, let me put my glue on first whilst I'm putting the foundation on the wig. My glue can be turning clear. You don't want to put your wig on glue that's white. You want your glue to be like very transparent. No, take your time. Wigs are not something to be rushed, especially if you want it to be looking good. So, you know, same old, cream to powder. Best thing ever. Look at the spacing that's here. So, I've literally just got this and the T part. Yeah, that's perfect. That is perfect. I guess this isn't really a good comparison because my arm is not the same colour as my head, but you can see that is like way better. How that's like very transparent now. That's exactly how you want your glue to be every time you apply any lace. Let's say for example you want to wash off the glue, it literally doesn't stick into the lace. You can just peel it off because of the way that the glue has dried. Okay, so finally all the lace has been secured. I'm just going to tie it down as tightly as I can with this band. As you can see, the wig actually came with like these cute little plaits in the front, but I'm taking that out. The plaits got messed up whilst I was adding more hair in the front. I'm going to style it myself. This would have been so pretty if they made it in like this sort of wave, don't you think? This is gorgeous. Like this but long. Wait, hold on. Maybe, I don't know. I'm using my Tony and Guy straightener. It goes up to 235, but I'm going to set it to 180. I'm gonna do it section by section just so that I know there's no kinks or curls. By the way, can I say this hair is really soft? Some of these synthetic hairs, they be rough. How pretty. Are you mad? Synthetic or virgin? Actually, no, wait. Put some respect on the hair. Raw Indian? Is that you? I've never felt synthetic hair this good before, and that is no word of a lie. I have really tried a lot of synthetic hair and nothing is even comparing to this quality. Can you see, like, it's not too shiny, but it's perfect. Do you know what? The results speak for itself. And I know it's just a teapot, but look at how long the part is. That's like a 6-inch part. The wig was only 32 pounds, 34 pounds? I'm not sure. Wow.
It's like it gives me a brush.
Okay, so we've got both parts of the hair straightened now. You can tell this is going to be a good unit. We've got our pins and our rollers and the curler. I'm gonna curl it from this way. The hair is not really going to hold the curl from the curler. That's why you have the rollers, so that it can cool down in the roller. Hold it there for about 10, 15, maybe even 20 seconds. I drop it into my hand and make sure you hold it there. Ooh, that is so hot. Wow, guys, that's really, really hot. I'm gonna hold it with the pin first and I'll put it in the roller after. I don't wanna like mess up what's going on over there. Get the colour and just begin from like here. I might not actually have to use the colours because this is cold already. I want to take that down and see how it's turned out. Yay! Look at that! I'm gonna cut off the straight bit on the end, so don't worry about that. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off the other side and I'll be right back. Look at how fab, like, the curls took so amazingly. So let's take these out and see whether, yep, perfect. Over here did the same thing. So I didn't end up using the rollers at all, so this was a waste of £5. I did brush out the curls in the front, but it came out very bushy. So I've just decided to keep it in its curl. With this band, the blood is not flowing again. Favorite comb? And then got to be glue. I'm still going to cut the edges even more after this. Okay, I can't even lie to you guys, the battery died. As you can see now, that's finished. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. Also leave any recommendations in the comments below if you want to see me do anything in particular. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.